Here, I'll push the table back. You get in, and I'll push the table back. How's that?
Hey Connor, what you got there?
That's a popsicle.
Alex is gonna need a bath after this. Is that good, buddy?
Does anyone want a poopy?
No, thank you.
Does anyone?
That is a kind offer, though.
Does anyone want a poop popsicle?
I think those are called poopsicles.
Popsicles. Does anyone want a poopsicle?
No, thank you.
What was that, Keegan?
Poopsicle.
Poopacle?
Poopsicle.
Alex, is that good? How's your poopsicle?
Poopsicle. Good. In my tummy.
Alex, is it yummy?
In my tummy.
Alex, is it yummy?
Poopacle. Yeah, poopacle.
Poopopsicle?
All on video.
You mean a poopsicle?
Are you choking on your poopsicle?
Neither of you want a popsicle?
Do you
I
mean a
didn't even offer.
poopsicle? We renamed them poopsicles.
Was that yours?
Poopsicle.
Connor suggested asked if anyone wanted a poop
poop
popsicle, and
popsicle.
Kevin said, I
A
believe it's called a
poopsicle.
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 Neither of you like one?
Yeah, I'd take one.
You want a red, purple,
Popsicle.
or what Alex says, yellow, orange?
Red, please.
No
Got
thanks.
orange. I got orange.
Orange, huh?
Does anyone want a blood popsicle? I mean, water pop. How about water pop? How about water pop?
Water pop?
Water pop.
I really don't know.
Popsicle? Bubble pop? Does anyone want a bubble? A water
Does anyone want a hippopotamus?
No. Mama. You got Poggle?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey, you got Poggle? You got Poggle?
Yeah.
Poggle, yeah.
I got Poggle. You mean poopsicle?
Poggle.
Can we not talk about poop for, like, I don't know, one meal?
No.
Oh yeah, so if
We
you
want
look
to
at the
call
stops,
it poopsicle.
you'll be able to determine
You got
for the
Poggle?
shuttles if there's something closer
Didn't you mean
next year.
poop?